Hey everyone, Eric here from MacBook. Got another video for you guys today. Hope you guys are doing well. We got this MacBook that's not doing so well. If you guys didn't already know, we are located right outside Washington, D.C. in Northern Virginia. We take in MacBooks for data recovery. You can check out the description for links on how you can send in your device. So we have this one. This is an old MacBook. This is a 2012 MacBook Pro, so it's a bit older one. There was a big flood and looks like it washed away all the hopes and dreams in this MacBook. But we want to restore those hopes and dreams today, so we need to go ahead, open up, and let's see what's going on inside. This MacBook is older, so it's not like the typical ones that we normally show on the channel where the storage is part of the board itself there. This one actually has a removable storage. So let's go ahead, open up, and see what's going on inside. Okay, so let's open it up. And oh man, look at that. A nice surprise inside. They weren't kidding when they meant it flooded. Because man, you got corrosion everywhere. You can see all the red spots indicating liquid damage, even on the battery. Man, corrosion everywhere. Look at that. So let's unplug the battery so I'm not making it any worse. There you go. And we have our storage that's over here. It's a solid state drive. And we do see it's a little bit corroded around this area. That's not good. So the customer is here for the data. Thank goodness they're here for data, because this wouldn't be fun doing anything at this point. So let's go ahead and remove the drive. Here's a screw and it holds in. And oh man, look at that, the good old days where you can remove a drive and you have your storage all here, all located there, and nothing to do with the board itself. Let's go over here. Let's go to our microscope. Let's take a look at it. Oh man, look, it's corroded everywhere. Man, look at that. Hit every spot. Now you'll notice the controller looks good. And that's because that black coating that goes all the way around like this, very good. That protected it for sure. Let's go ahead and let's clean this up. Really, that IC doesn't look that bad. It's not too bad, but we can make sure at least it's clean underneath. One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, one, two, three, four, five. Okay, so the pads look good. That's fine. This one, I guess we can get rid of this one too. That one's pretty bad. Let's go ahead and remove that one too. There we go. That was pretty bad, so just go ahead and remove it. Okay. Okay, so it looks good. We're gonna go ahead and we got an adapter. We'll go ahead and plug it in. So let's connect it. See if it recognizes too. So we see a dot, we see the light. If you guys can see that, it's blinking. Oh, and we see the Macintosh HD over here. The Macintosh HD up there, and that's our drive connected, and should be able to connect. There's a customer's name, not going to show that, and there's folders of the data. So we were able to recover the data. We put on an external drive for the customer. It's saved, right? So we took them out of the flood, and everything looks to be good. So thanks everyone for watching this data recovery on this A1398 Mac SSD. If you have a MacBook that you need for recover for data, we do all models. We do older ones like this one, this A1398, which is a 2012. It's a little bit of an older one, but we also do more of the modern ones, so any of the Apple Silicon ones, and any other type of MacBook model that you need for data recovery. We are your Mac Data Recovery Center. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys are interested in doing a data recovery with us, we have all the links in the description down below for how you can send us your Macs and recover your data. It's a simple, easy work order. If you fill out, then you can send in your device, and we would love to take a look to recover the data for you, just like this Mac. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.